What's up guys, Aaron Productions here, and today we're going to be doing a test of all the smoke alarms inside my house. So as you can see, we have one of these little $5 detectors here, and then also in the hallway we have the kitty ones. I'll put the model number of this one on screen, and the model number is on the last picture. So let's just get started by testing this one. So since I hurt myself because my foot arched, now I have a cramp. Testing the last one, I got my tester stick. So here we go with the next one, which is in my room with all the panels in it. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So here we have the kitty I ate whatever something. So let's just test this one. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so this one's above the stairs, so I could just reach this one. Okay. Okay, so let's do the other kitty smoke detector. Okay, so let's move on to the last. Okay, so the last one is in the laundry room, which is right next to the dryer cell, in case the dryer ever caught on fire. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Peace out.